Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I'll show you how to install the CBN News application to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find this easy, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So in your Hisense Smart TV, the first step is to go over to the App Store. Here's mine over here. I'll just go ahead and launch it. Now on my App Store, I'm going to search for the application I'm looking for, which is the CBN News. So I'll come over to the search button and type in CBN. It is as simple as that. CBN, and then I'll search. So when I search, the application is going to show here. Here's it, CBN News. So I'm just going to click on it once, and it's going to bring me to the installation page of the application. So here's it over here. So what I have to do now is just click install, and the application is going to be installed straight away to my Hisense Smart TV. So I choose where to place it, and then I click OK. Then I can launch it and start watching content on it. Oh, looks like my internet disconnected, but that's how to install the application.